my channel. If you're new here, my name's Valerie, and today, guys, we are doing a Nadine West. Yes, it's been a while, I know, I have been behind, so I'm trying to get caught up, and I'm having to skip a few of the other Nadine West that I got because I just cannot seem to get caught up. So, this one, I can't remember what bag it is. I'll post it in the description, or in the title of what bag this is, so I'm not sure. If you guys don't know what Nadine West is an online clothing subscription service, and you go on there and you fill out a questionnaire, and then they curate a bag for you. You can do it once a month, or you can do it twice a month. The bags are, I think, like $9.99 each to have it shipped to you. And then if you like something that's out of the bag, you keep it, and they'll deduct that $9.99 off of there for you, and then you pay the remaining. So it's kind of a cool way to shop if you don't like to go to stores. I like to do it because it's fun to see what other people choose for me. Another thing is that I can kind of like match up things in my closet when I get it to see, oh, will this go with that, or will that go with this? And sometimes I've been in stores where I think something's going to work with another outfit that I've got, and I bring it home and it doesn't. And then I don't have anything to wear with it, and then I get kind of upset. So this kind of alleviates some of that. Now, it is about boutique prices, but I'm telling you, I have been looking at some prices of retail, big box retailers like Meijer and Target and Walmart, and all their prices on clothing have gone up. So I think these are starting to become more comparable with their pricing than what they used to be. Because, yeah, every place is just, I look at something, oh my gosh, I can't believe how much that is. So, clothing is going up along with everything else, just the way it is. So, I'm going to leave my Nadine West link down below. You guys can click on that and use that if you like. I believe I get like some kind of credit. I am a Nadine West ambassador, so, yeah, I do get something for that. I'm not exactly sure what, though. I just became an ambassador, so all the clothing also that is sent to me, I get sent to me for free, and then I get to keep all of it. So what doesn't fit me, what I did decide I don't like, I've been putting back and putting away, and we're going to eventually, once I get this box filled up, we're going to have a giveaway. But it's taken a little bit to do that. And I still am trying to decide how I want to do that in case people aren't my size in clothing and stuff, how I'm going to like make it fair for them to have a giveaway. So, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do with that yet. So I'm still working on the bugs. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Because sometimes, you know, somebody's different way of thinking is like the answer to what I need to know. So guys, I'm going to just do it differently today. This is what it looks like when it comes in your bag. Okay. Nadine West. They're supposed to be bundled, and I'm showing you the bundles today because they're not always bundled, all right? So, they used to be, but now a lot of times they're not. But since I got this one and it is bundled, I thought I'd go ahead and show you. Also, this is the bag it will come in. All right, so you don't want to destroy this when you open it because anything you don't want, you're going to send back in this bag. And there is a, I don't have it in here. I have it back there in my bedroom. It is like a invoice, and it'll list everything it has that they sent to you on there, and on the back of it is a return address label that you're just going to slap it on here, and then you're going to take it to your post office, or you can put it in your mailbox. I take it to my post office because I always get a receipt just to make sure that they know I've got it. You know, in case something happens, I got proof that I sent it back. So, I think that's about everything there is to know about Nadine West. It's kind of just fun. So, I'm going to do a try-on, and so let me go and get that. I'm not going to show you clothes yet. I'm going to make you guys wait today, and you're just going to be surprised as I put them on. All right, so I'll be right back in just a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back, and I have on, the top is by Sheila Rose, and it is Abigail Ash Mocha. And the price is $44.99. Oh my goodness. That's a little pricey, but it's a nice top. This is a really nice top. I also have on, let me see here, by Sheila Rose, let's see. Yeah, the Megan Cargo Jogger in olive green. Now, I don't necessarily wear these together, but it doesn't look horrible. So I'm just showing you guys. I try to do 2 or 3 pieces at a time. That way it takes a little bit less time for the video. Also, they sent me a necklace, which they're always going to send you jewelry, even if you say you don't want jewelry. I got a necklace, and it is called Charisse Necklace in silver, and it is $34.99. Now, it's a really pretty necklace, but it came all jumbled up. So I normally wouldn't even spend the time to unjumble it, but I think it's pretty. So I'm going to unjumble it because I think I want it. I think I might want it. But isn't that pretty? I think that's just really, really pretty. Oops. I can get it up here. So I think I'm going to spend some time unjumbling it a little bit. But I don't know if it's not the camera. There you go. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Camera's not really doing it justice. But it's pretty. I think it's pretty. And it's not like cheaply. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels a little bit heavier in weight. So, yeah. Normally I'm not real fond of their jewelry, but they've been sending me some okay jewelry recently. Some earrings and stuff. So, there you have that. Okay, let me put that up before I drop it and Violet gets it. All right, let me pan out, guys, so you can see this. I haven't done one of these in a while, so bear with me. So here's the top. I think it's really cute, like from here down. I think it's really, really cute. I like that little, I like the color blocking on it, and I like that it has like this pattern of, you know, the cheetah print on it too. I think that's really kind of cute. It's different. So I do like it. I love the color up here. I love the mocha with the cream color. It just kind of hits my belly weird, and I'm not real certain I like that. But it feels good, like it's comfortable everywhere else. I'm just really not comfortable with it around my belly area. But for those of you who have not been around, I have gained some weight. I am diabetic, type 2 diabetic, and I struggle with weight gain. And so I am getting back on my program, and so I'm going to be getting some weight off of me. I've already lost quite a bit. I have lost some. But yeah, my last doctor's appointment was Friday, and I had to go back and see. And normally I just do once every 3 months, but anyway, I'm going to do a whole video on that, guys. So if you're interested in my diabetic journey and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be posting and vlogging on some of that, guys. So yeah, I don't like the way it's doing here, but other than that, I think it's cute. I wish it just was a little bit flowier. I do have a top underneath because some of these clothes are see-through, and I don't want to be showing you guys too much. So let me, yeah, see, it's kind of got the curve there. I do like these joggers. These joggers are kind of cool because they've got the cargo pockets like right here. So I do kind of like that. Let me pan down a little bit lower. They are olive green. I don't know if you guys can tell in the lighting, but they are olive green. And they are like skinnies, and they do have the cuff at the bottom, you know, the little thing that holds them, which I like. And I kind of like these. I mean, they're kind of really comfortable. These kind of pants and stuff is what I really like to lay around in at home. And this would be cute enough I could run, you know, I can wear running around out and doing other things. All right, so let me know what you guys think about this outfit, and I'm going to go on to the next. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I have on, the top is by D&D Couture, and let me see here. It is the Ollie top in navy, and then the bottoms I have on are by Sheila Rose again, and these are Tegan Jogger in navy. And I really think I like this combo a little better than the other combo, to be honest. So, oh, I didn't give you prices. And this cardigan I have on is mine, but I thought it would match really cool with this top. The Ollie top in navy is $27.99, and the Tegan Jogger are $34.99. So, here we go. And here is the top, and I'll take the cardigan off and show it to you in a minute. But I really think that's cute, and I think it looks nice. I wasn't sure I'd like this. I probably wouldn't wear this top alone. Maybe if I lost a little bit more weight, I would. Yeah, I think it's really cute. And then the joggers are really comfortable. Now, I wouldn't wear these joggers because of the stripe, But yeah, it's got the green stripe down, and they got pockets. These are really, really comfortable. I think they're more flattering, and they're not so clingy to me as the other joggers. Same with this top. It's not as clingy. I'm trying to get you guys a really good look here. Okay, now I'm going to take this off. Now, I would definitely, I just have my bra straps tucked in. I would definitely wear probably a, if I were alone, I would probably wear a strapless bra. Okay, and I didn't get the back completely buttoned. But I normally don't wear this type of stuff because, as you can see, I have very broad shoulders and very big arms. So those I normally like to keep covered because I just have a slimmer look to myself. I don't look so much like a football player. So, yeah, I think this is cute. I really kind of like this. It's got some different prints in there. The only thing, it seems like it kind of is writing up here, but other than that, I kind of really like this, as I would wear it more with like my cardigan, a cardi or a jacket type thing. I don't wear this type of clothes a lot like this in the summer because, number one, I can't wear that to work. I have to wear sleeves to work, and I'm not outside a lot. But I think it really, when I put that on, see the slimming effect on my shoulders? Big difference. And I really kind of like this. This is cute. Okay, guys, so let me know whether you like this #1 combo better or #2 combo better. I think I'm liking this one a little bit better. So give me your thoughts and opinions down below. All right, I got one more item and then we'll be done. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, my hair is getting fuzzy and it's falling down because I've been trying to close on. Okay, so we're back, and I have on this. The cardigan is mine. I just purchased this last spring when they went on sale, and I think I got it at Walmart. I didn't pay very much for it. I think like $3 for it. So yeah. So the next item is actually another Sheila Rose piece, and let's see here. It is a dress, and it's called the Alessia Color Block in navy and vermilion. Now, I don't think the vermilion and the red matches exactly, but I think it's close enough that I can work. And also the navy, my other cardigan, the navy cardigan I had on just a little bit ago, I think I could pull it off with that too. So this is like 2 options I can wear, 3 options actually. So let me back up and let me show you guys the whole. I didn't do that right, did I? Okay, and here is the color blocking dress, which is cute. And don't mind me, I have little bobby socks on, so don't mind that. There we go. So here is, I think this is cute. This is another winter chicken dinner for me. And yeah, the reds don't match exactly, but I think I can get by with it. What do you guys, let me know what you guys think. If not, I could do away with this. But and then I could wear it just like this, you know. And like I said, I do have the other blue cardigan that I could wear with it. So, yeah, it's a really nice little piece. I really kind of like the color blocking on it. It's different, and it's very soft. This is very soft, and the pants, the bottoms that I just had on with the green stripe, those are very soft. And so is the olive color. They were very soft, too. Everything's been very nice and soft in this. The fabric's been really nice in this bag. So let me know what you guys think about this. And yeah, there we have it. And I don't think I gave you the price on this one, guys. Sorry. The price on this dress is $39.97, which really isn't bad right now for dresses, because I know dresses are really going up in price. A lot of everything, like I said, is going up in price. So there is my bag, and let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I thought it was a really good bag. Actually, I really liked all the pieces that I got. I'm a little questionable about some of the fit in, like the first top. I liked the top, but I feel like it was just a little clingier on the belly. And I feel like the pants are a little clingier on the belly too, the olive colored ones. But I still really liked them. So I liked the necklace. I liked everything in this bag, which is very unusual. Normally I'm not liking everything. So, yeah, that's Nadine West, guys. So I'm going to get off of here. I got a lot more filming to do. So I got another Nadine West I want to get done and up and running. And this one's going to come first, I think, and then we'll go from there. So, guys, if you are new and you've never been here before, we do all kinds of unboxings, and I am an independent Sentsy consultant, so we do a lot of Sentsy as well. So, make sure, if you like those things, make sure you click the subscribe button before you leave. We'd love to have you join our fam. And then click the notification bell so you're notified of any of the new uploaded videos, because you don't want to miss anything, because we always got a lot of different stuff going on. And those of you that have already done all those things, thank you guys so very, very much. I love each and every one of you. And give me the thumbs up. Or if you don't like this video, give me the thumbs down. And share. Share my videos with your friends and family and all your wonderful people that you know. Even the people you don't like, give it to it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So I'm going to get off of here. And I will see you guys next time. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Love you guys.